Reggae singer Bob Handy has died. Guys, before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on your notification bell so you can get an update each time we upload. Veteran reggae singer and prolific songwriter Kenneth Bob Andy Anderson has died. Glory Music principal Tommy Cowan confirmed to the Gleaner that Anderson, who have been ailing for some time now, passed away at 8:30 this morning. That is March 27. This happened while at his home in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. I have spoken to his family and they say he died peacefully. He was not in any pain, Cowan shared. His daughter Bianca was by his side and so too was her mother. News broke on Wednesday that the entertainer, who had been battling cancer for years, was gravely ill. When the Gleaner spoke to Cowan that evening, he said that he was in the process of sending Bob a message of encouragement. In the early 1970s, Bob, whose career spanned several decades, recorded with Marcia Griffiths. They had a major UK hit with songs Young, Gifted and Black and went on tour in England together. Anderson was confirmed with Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander of his contribution to the development of Jamaican music by the government in October 2006. Now, condolences to the family of Bob Andy. Bob, thank you to the contribution to music and to Jamaica's culture. Now guys, before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and say condolence to the family in the comment section below. And big up on the damn clean self. Until next time, this is the Sauna Room, where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.